We're on the scene. Are we recording? I think we are.
Yes.
Record? Recording? It says record there, right?
Yeah, it's recording.
It must be, right? 1080. We're out here. We're out here at the art show in 1080. The fans demanded 1080. 720 was not doing it for them, and I don't blame them. Because Venice Beach is best seen in 4K Ultra. Green cloud. Yo. Loop check.
That's nice.
Oh, we got Bora. Cannabis, very nice. Very nice, cannabis. Doctor?
How's it going, man?
Good, good. You? Good. Green cloud. It's on it. Go.
Thank you, man.
Thank you, bro. You ever hear D-Rock play? He was jamming before. He's pretty good.
Yeah.
He jams. Good jams. Have I seen you?
No, Benny.
Oh yeah. Vinny rocks. Vinny's heavy metal. Shredder. Is he jamming right now? Here you go. You finish this off, sir. You finish that off, sir. Oh yeah, I saw that. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Yeah. Dude, and some guys started swinging on this guy, and this guy had to run. Is that him? He was just here. Some guy must got beat up right there. Yeah. Well, no, at R1. And then I saw him here. He moved fast. Two guys almost beat him up because he stole the bike.
You see the picture of the guy with the Molotov?
With the what?
That's the head and the mask, the body, and then the Molotov. Like,
Oh yeah, it's badass. But it's flowers. Toss love before we throw hate. It's pretty badass. Yeah, it's pro. That's very pro. Big Biden, fighter Biden. You got to come around on cannabis, buddy. A lot of people out here. Must be Sunday fun day. A lot of music. John Lewis, R.I.P. Send. Thank you, sir. That shirt, Groucho Marx.
Peace and love, man.
Yes, you got it.
Love and light.
Green Cloud Art.org on YouTube.
Hell yeah.
Doorstown. Shouts to Freddie Fred. Craig Gillespie, the right hand of Carlin. That's Neil Young. Rude Mays, all heroes. Wear your safety gear, keep it herbal. Punk rock, it's a lifestyle. Fighter Biden. Gotta come around on the buds. Artists love buds, all humans need buds. Farmers, they need it. Justice Stewart Scott. One love. Solid. It's on the move. Tom Petty, R.I.P. The hero, legend. Whoopi, fashion icon. What matters is our plan. Legalize it. Legalize it, 50 states. Toss love before we toss hate, that's for sure. Yeah, it was funny. This guy was like, I bought a bike. And he goes, oh no, the guy knew, he was telling. And then the guys came up. So I got to hear about it before these two guys came up to beat him up. But he ran across the street. He was fast.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's cool.
Yeah. He dodged a couple punches and was gone. Raced through the traffic across Venice.
Yeah, they're fast.
Yeah.
Did you look at him?
Oh, yeah.
You know who he was?
Oh, yeah. He's just hanging out here. Young hippie kid. There's a lot of care. It was it's a hot moment, hot corner. Jason Richmond. Follow, Jason Chrisman. Jason Chrisman art on Instagram. Tag him. Squad. Biggie pop. Alright, let's spark another one up. Keep it herbal. That's the key. Trust to Brendan Glenn. One love. Puerto Clemente. Cannabis, very nice. My Angela Bronson. Shouts to Bronson, only for Dolphins, dropping soon. Kendrick Castillo, Jeep fan.
I always say, somebody comes out here to see if the free joint's still there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's there. It looks good.
Wow,
The joint's
free
there.
joint.
Yeah, where's that at? Let's see if we can find it. Where's that? Oh, Green Cloud, nice.
It's not bad.
Where's that joint? No way there's a joint down here. What's he talking about? Oh, I think. Food check, don't lie. What's that? Yeah, that looks like a doobie-doo. Keep it herbal. Legalize in Florida, Russia, Texas, Australia, China, Arizona, North Korea, Kentucky. Legalize it everywhere, guys.
How they gonna give the ticket anyway? 9 times you don't
Film it again, hard to tell.
The city is not working on Sunday.
Oh, Green Cloud, you see this one? It's one of the newest think
yeah.
pieces.
Oh, wow.
It's a think piece.
Grabs the dots.
They get lost in that for a while. John Lewis. Got John Lewis up there. My bro. My bro said you better get John Lewis up there ASAP. Shouts to Bourdain. Stuart Scott. Stu Scott. Fresh Squidding.
Get a little bit more.
Oh, this guy. When this guy was coming up, this guy had a hat. He was coming up from the other way. He saw the wall. He goes, "What is this? The comic store?" What a great line, huh?
I love it.
Words of Pictures Museum. Shouts to Shaman, sponsor. Shouts to Fogel. Shouts to Woke. Rita, Dr. John, Frederick Douglass, Rush McLean, Pink, Willie. Keep it herbal. Send, Bill Schneider, Speak the Truth. Create Art, Satchma, Salvador Dali, Robert Johnson. Do Alive, 95. De Niro knows. Where's that Rudy guy? He must be filming somewhere. Hey, dog. Kaepernick from the Rams. And the Chargers. There he is.
What's up, dude?
Greetings, Earthling. People love that elbow now. I've retired from the elbow. I just do the pound. We're out here. 1080 for the UFOs. Biggie pop. Squad. Gang's all here. Venice Beach, good times. Come on by, check it out. Green Cloud making some footage. The art is live. Keep it herbal. What a day. Always a beautiful day here at Venice Beach. Come on down, check it out. Keep it herbal. One love. Shouts to RBG. All power. No bias. Cannabis for veterans. 10 lives matter. What's up, bro? Oh, good. Chilling. Shouts to bikes, shouts to skaters. Do it live. There you go. That was nice. Santana. We are rainbow people. One love. Human be on earth, dude. Yeah, fuck that up. What am I doing now? Am I recording again? No. I'm not doing it.